Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. Today we're making hand sanitizer, DIY hand sanitizer. People are kind of in the frenzy because they cannot find the hand sanitizers on the shelf right now. There's somewhat of a shortage, so I'm going to show you how to make it at home. It's very easy, very simple, very affordable. So here we go. The first ingredient and the main ingredient is isopropyl alcohol, and that's 99%. And you want to use the higher number. I have 99%, but if you cannot find 99%, 70% to 95% will do. But the higher the number, the more effective. Also, I have aloe vera juice here, and I made mine myself, and that's only because I will be using it for my hair as well. So I bought a leaf. And you can buy that at the grocery store. But if you're just making, your hand sanitizers and you want something simple, I just suggest you get your aloe vera from Walmart or the hair store or Target or different places like that. Even Walgreens, a drugstore will sell aloe vera. So we have that there. Also, glycerin helps with the moisturization of the hand sanitizer. You do not have to use this if you don't want to. I just find that using both in combination just makes it more, moisturizing, less drying to your hands. But if you just have the alcohol and the aloe vera, that's great. That will be effective. So what we want to do here, I'm going to go ahead and get started with 1 cup of the alcohol. And we're going to go ahead and use 1/4. I've already mixed these two. It's 1/4 of a cup of the aloe vera juice and 1/4 cup of the glycerin. And the aloe vera is kind of thick, so you want to make sure that everything gets in there. And for scent, you can use essential oils. I love lemon and lavender, and they help with the soothing effect, the smell. And so that's just if you like your sanitizer to smell like anything. So I'm going to put, and they're coming out fast. I'm kind of counting, that's about 20 drops of lemon. And I'm going to put, and the lavender's coming out slow. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And you can put as much or as little as you want. And you don't have to put any at all. The alcohol and the aloe vera, if you just have those 2 ingredients, you are good to go. All right, we also have peppermint oil here if you like the smell of that. Eucalyptus, we have that. You can also use tea tree oil. All right, so we have that in our container here. We're going to go ahead and use this whisk and get it whisked up. And if you want it thicker, you can use more aloe vera. Just put a little bit of aloe vera, a little bit more of aloe vera in it. That would be fine. If you like it more liquidy, that's fine too. I like the more liquidy for the spray bottle and the thicker for the squeeze bottle. So I have mine all mixed up here. I'm going to scoot this out of the way. You are also, I found this at the hair store. The black hair care store, the wig store, whatever you want to call it, that's where I found the 99%. The store that I was at was clean out of it. They were clean out of it. They had 70% left, but I needed 99% because what's going on now, 99% is most effective. Okay, so that's just a little tip. Go to the hair store if you can't find the 99% isopropyl alcohol anywhere else. All right, so I have mine all mixed up. It's all combined. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it into my bottle. And I'm going to pour it in here. And this made enough for 2 3-ounce bottles. And actually, you guys, I have a little left over, so we'll make another. That is enough for another. Let me top this one off. All right. Loving that. So we have a spray bottle here. If you would like to spray down surfaces like in your car, you know, spray your kids' hands or their backpacks or whatever, that is good for those instances. And then I have the squeeze bottle here. This is fine for me, but if you want it thicker, just add more aloe vera to thicken it up. And there you go. Hand sanitizer to go. Also, guys, this I got from Kroger's. This little package here was $1.24. Yes, they were having a closeout. The regular price was $2.99. I got this for $1.24. So that's 4 bottles. You can also get these at the Dollar Tree. They have 3 bottles in their pack. I believe it's not this big. I believe the bottles are smaller, but I came across a bargain and I bought 3 packs of these. So I'm going to have plenty. So I'm going to make up mine, maybe give them away as gifts, or if people can't find it, you know, I'll give them away. Also, we'll just have extra. Okay? So happy DIYing. Don't panic. Just be prepared. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Get to making up your DIY hand sanitizer, and I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.